Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I want to show you guys my sister's new KO2s that she put on her 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. So we purposely didn't go crazy big with it. We didn't want to make her speedometer get off too much, nor did we want to have to do any kind of trimming on it. So we went as big as we can go comfortably, and that was 275 70/16s. So she's super pleased with how it turned out. And of course, you know, she didn't have much of an option. We have to do white lettering out, which is obviously our favorite look. So I'll give you a close-up look. Nothing you guys haven't seen before. This is my favorite tire, with the Knitted Ridge Grappler being my second. But love how it turned out. Not much tire poke with the current setup, but still looks great. And she's about ready to make the long drive back to Washington State, so she has good peace of mind that they'll handle just fine. And for those of you who don't know, my Tundra over here has the same exact tires, but 35-inch. So 35 by 12.5 18s. So I think these tires really bring these trucks together. Do a side shot. Absolutely love it. Show you up close. And it only rubs at full lock turn reverse. And it's pretty slight. Down the side here. And one more quarter panel look. We'll look at that taco one more time and wrap it up. So it did have some Goodyear Wranglers on it originally. Here are the stock tires. So not a bad tire by any means. Kevlar reinforced sidewall. You know, people love these too. But look at the tread pattern. And then look at the tread pattern down here. So much more aggressive tire, and a very capable and proven tire too. Alright guys, there you have it. Appreciate you watching. As always, let me know your thoughts. Till next time.